Ladies and gentlemen, this is the peach lemonade. Oh, wait, hold on. Pink lemonade vodka punch? How we get? Okay, let's just go. Pink lemonade. Okay, you buy it at the store. Where else would you buy it? Huh? Amazon? Okay, it's at the store. Citrus vodka. Wait a minute, this is a drinking show. I had a couple drinks, so you all better roll with me. Strawberry vodka, because you can't be like, why is this dude doing voiceovers drunk when I'm telling you how to make drinks, okay? Sometimes I drink them. Lemon slices, it's beautiful so far. Okay, strawberry slices, beautiful. And then we come behind with some red raspberries. Raspberries any other color than red? No? Okay. I'm getting looks like I'm pretty dumb, so I can just stop that right there. Lemon lime soda, which is Sprite or 7-Up, but we're not going to call it that because they're not paying us. Stir, 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 and then we pour it into our glass, and this is delicioso. How do I know? Because I just had a few, which is why I'm talking like this. Stay tipsy, friends. Stay tipsy.